Hey everyone, it's Ryder from Skip. In this quick and important video, I will show you how you can quickly use AI to apply to grants ranging from $1,000 up to $10,000 and more, and 16 AI tools that can help you grow your business. If you are an entrepreneur in the US and there are around 50 million of you, this video's for you. How can you use the latest AI tools from ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Skip to help grow your business, side hustle, or idea? I'm going to cover all 16 in this video, things to keep in mind, starting with how to apply instantly for $1,000 grants, how to create instant websites, business plans, social media content effectively for your business or startup, whether you have $0 in revenue or up to 10 million in annual revenue. These are AI tools you can and should be using today. And I will show you how to apply for this Skip 10K grant, which is open to everyone in the US. I don't know any other AI tools that help you instantly apply to grants. So be sure you watch this entire video and subscribe, because we have a lot more videos coming soon that are going to help you, whatever stage of business you're at. We just did a survey, several hundred responses. We talked about grants because Skip is giving out $1 million in grants this year. 96% of you said grants are either extremely or very important for your business. Well, we give out grants every single week. Most are open to all US entrepreneurs. You can see 47 grant winners in the past 30 days. You can see all the winners here, over 600 winners so far in 2025. In addition to having AI tools, we're the largest grants provider in the US when it comes to the amount of grants given out to entrepreneurs. So if the AI tools aren't enough, go enter some of these free grants. If you win, that's awesome. In fact, here's how you can do it. Go to skipcofounder.com, click apply for instant grants, and you can apply instantly. You see, I've got the confetti here. I just entered the next $1,000 instant grants. If you have your business details added on Skip, which takes a few seconds, it's that quick every time we run an instant grant. Chances are when you're watching this video, there's an instant $1,000 grants drawing within the next 24 hours. Go to Skip Co-Founder, type in instant grants, and quickly apply. That's number one. Let me tell you how to create an instant business plan. First, fill out your grants vault on Skip. It's a series of common questions like, what does your business do? What's your mission? If you need funding, what do you need funding for? How do you help people in your community? And so on and so forth. Run through those. Type in create a business plan. Co-founder will then see if you need to say more to make your business plan stronger. Otherwise, you can click generate business plan, and within a few seconds, you'll get a business plan. Go to your documents tab. You can see the brand new business plan for this fictitious pet grooming business, including exec summary, description, business opportunity, vision, team, target market, pricing strategy, marketing, industry analysis, milestones, and key objectives, financial summary, funding required, and more. And if you do want to make some edits to your business plan, toggle over to dashboard here and click business plan. You can then go in and make some edits. By the way, many grants require business plans. Great thing to get out of the way. And for our upcoming 10K grant, we do recommend a business plan for it. Let's say you want to apply to all grants and see what's out there based on your business. Type in apply to grants on Skip. We'll list out some upcoming grants that are due and give you options. You can decide which ones, if any, you want to apply for. Number 4, if you want financing options, type in see financing option. It will analyze your business and see if you might be eligible for some loans, lines of credit. And if so, it will give you recommendations similar to exploring credit cards, either for your business or personal credit cards. Again, taking the information you've already added on Skip to give you recommendations. And if you're curious about who has won grants on Skip, lots of different ways to see the grant winners, including at skipgrants.com, but you can also type it in here, see some of the recent winners. Here are a few recent ones. You can even ask to see grant winners by state, or if anyone in your city has won a Skip grant, and you may be surprised. These are all on Skip Co-Founder, skipcofounder.com. We're adding in new tools every single week. We see these as a great complement to other AI tools that you're using and loving. ChatGPT now has over 800 million users. It is building new tools fast. One of the things it doesn't have, though, is in-depth business information and business history like we do on Skip. So there are some things that you can get done only on Skip, including applying to grants instantly. The 10K one I will show you how to apply to next. But if you want to create a business listing on Skip to be seen, to get picked up in other LLM, you will not only be seen on the Skip platform among the million-plus entrepreneurs, but also you have a dedicated page for your listing that will help you get picked up in search engines and eventually by LLMs such as ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, where many of the new searches are taking place. Now, we're getting into two of my favorites. If you do not have a website, you're an entrepreneur starting out, or you want to start a second or third business, you can use Co-Founder to create an instant website. In this case, it's detecting I already have a website, so it's taking me to the website editor on Skip. Edit websites, get custom domains, link to an existing domain, add social media, track views. You can literally have a public-facing website up in a few seconds with minimal inputs from you. I encourage everyone to try it out. If you do not have a website or you want to improve on the website you have today, give it a shot. You can even launch that for free. And another favorite is turning on your AI agent. This is your 24/7 agent that can live on your Skip listing or on your website. Your AI agent that sells or communicates while you sleep. This is a must-have in 2025. People land on your website or listing, they have questions. What do you do? How can I make a purchase or book a call or get more information? They can get it instantly when you set up your agent. Co-founder guides you through it. Once you have it set up, you can one-click integrate into your Skip website or just drop it into an existing website that you have to answer questions folks have. We're halfway done. 3 more on visibility and growth. You can create social content. This is incredibly popular. Rather than hiring a social media manager, just use AI to help you create copy, create images. You can do that right here on Skip. You can also boost your business listing that you've just created to get more views, get more likes, to be seen. We realize with the 50 million businesses and entrepreneurs across the US, you need to find a way to stand out. You can boost right from here, and you can also buy domains directly on Skip. Okay, before I show some of the fun, creative tools, here's how to apply to the next Skip 10K grant, specifically on Co-founder. Co-founder will pull up the next major grant. You can see here it's the Skip 10K Growth Grant that's due October 14th, but at any given time, there's going to be a 10K grant available to you on Skip. It'll go through what else is needed. You can see the progress bar. I'm already 80% of the way there. It'll confirm information and then help guide you to completion so you can enter successfully. This one, believe it or not, is open to everyone, so give it a shot. Try it out. I don't know of any other AI tools that can help you instantly apply for grants. Okay, tools and insights. Some of my other favorites are giving you feedback. Is your website good right now? Well, before you create an instant one on Skip, you can ask, how can I improve my website, rate my website? It'll take a look at what you've done so far and give you some candid feedback. Here it's going to review Skip. This is awesome. A nice table of helloskip.com or tryskip.com, both point to Skip. We get a 90% on branding and clarity, 85 on visual appeal, call to action, 75%, storytelling, 80%, SEO findability. Go do this on your own website. Or if you're not happy with the scores, just type in create instant website and you can create one in a few seconds. And it has top 3 quick wins that you can do. Same thing with grants, especially when you apply to Skip $10,000 grants. As we review all the applications, we generate feedback and you can see your feedback and your score, 1 through 10. How did you do on your application? No more black box when it comes to grant applications where you never hear anything. If you've applied to a major grant on Skip, you will be able to see feedback. Did you get an 8, a 9, a 10? We believe you should know how you did so you can make improvements. A big goal with grant applications is to help you become a more thoughtful and better business owner or an entrepreneur. You can also do a daily check-in, which has its own special spot right here in the side menu. A great way in the morning or in the evening to reflect on what you've done, what you want to do, and have a great thought partner here to help you grow your business. Maybe you're stuck on something. Maybe you want to celebrate wins. That's what that check-in is for. Finally, some creation tools. You can search for images. Let's say you want images for social media posts, for your public listing, for your website. You can see all of those here on Co-found. We'll suggest some images for you, or you can put in other keywords and pull in others, and then just click use this image and it'll save it to your documents. You can also download it. You can also create charts and tables, drop in some data, some information. You can see nice charts. For example, here's a revenue trend chart that just made up a couple data points. So if you have financial statements you want to visualize or communicate things differently, I just asked it to add 10 data points and it visualized this. And I just asked it to put it as a table. Here it is in table format. Put it in a pie chart, whatever you want to visualize, you can do here. And finally, you can visualize data on maps. If you want to see Skip grant winners, for example, here are some grant winners from August 2025 and where they are across the country. It pulls in a few. Those are just some of the examples here in the specialist tab that you can find and type in at skipcofounder.com. Have you tried out any of these? If so, do you have a favorite? And if you tried out other AI tools that are helping you fund and grow your business, leave comments below. I'll answer as many as I can. Most importantly, go apply to some free grants and try out some of these tools that are going to help you grow your business. Stay well, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.